Chapter reading. We have a little moon joining us, and I hope this makes you feel more at home. Alright, we know we're in a time of opposites uniting in order to see the whole, and we're seeing the whole in order to create balance. We're closing out the zodiac year, and we're about to start anew in Aries season. That fire power, the energy of the child free. What the heck? Alright, let's see what's happening. What's going on? Look at that. 4 of Wands, stability created of the light. You've already opening up new doors. And we know when we say goodbye to the past, what's lower vibrational, we're closing doors to what isn't working for us. And when one door closes, another door opens. And this is the right door. This is the door that we want. And they're showing me that this door is connected to the energy of the moon as well as Mars. So Mars is helping you to end conflict, as well as it's also giving you a reason to fight. And see, there's the opposite energies already uniting. So yes, there's conflict. But through this conflict, you're seeing what you want to fight for. And it's connection. It's stability. And it has to do with your light and your connection to the divine. This is Freedom Town. I can feel the feeling through that, through that door. I can feel it. It's like when you sit outside in the sun and you're just relaxing and it's so peaceful, but it's like times 1,000. And it almost like, I feel energy. It's revitalizing. Okay. Now, you're doing it. You're balancing your karmic scales, and I love it. Justice is blind. We balance our karmic scales. We study universal law. We follow the divine. We follow what we're creating. We know, look around the planet. Look around. It's shifting. We're in a time of mass shifting. And we don't want to get lost in lower vibrational energies that are trying to separate us, that are trying to create more conflict, that are trying to create more separateness, that are trying to disconnect us. We need to be the leaders in transformation and continue to unite opposites and expand. There's a healing within this process. And you're creating something here. There's an actual activation for you in here, and it's connected to the 4 of Wands. And here, go straight from justice to judgment. There's the connections being made that you need to make, and there's the rebirth. This is karmic scales balanced, and now you literally rebirth. You're being birthed anew. And it's thanks to temperance. We know that we've been hanging out with temperance and understanding the alchemy of the cups. And this is where you're connecting the feminine energies of water to the masculine energies of fire with help from the moon in order to restore chakra flow and healing. This is healing you. This is helping you to expand. And you do so with the wheel. And the wheel turns. And you're creating with the dolphin energy. And it's creating equality. And it's helping you to also unite like-minded people. It's making you stronger. It's like you're connecting with other people that have the dolphin energy within them. And that's helping you to expand. You are creating with the other elements here. You understand shape-shifting. You understand how to use the other elements. You're using your wisdom. You're using your wisdom now. And they're telling me, like, it's your time. It's your time. That's the message. It's your time. It's connected to the 4 of Swords and the 3. You're gaining the clarity that you need to see in order to balance your karmic scales and heal from your shadow energies. Because we know we accept the darkness as part of us. Light and dark, yin and yang in flow. What we are healing from is our shadows. And our shadows are connected to us, and they're what create harm. But how are you going to deal with the shadow? You're going to shine the light on that shadow. And that shadow now is gone. Because the light is helping us to clear, to heal, to harmonize. And here's your victory with the 6 of Wands. And your Ace of Coins, your actual growth. And you're growing. This is connected to your abundance. And as well as to your spiritual expansion, your actual growth. You found the light. You found the light within the dark, and you found the light, and you put that light to your shadows, and you said no more. And that connected you back to quality, connection of the cosmos, connection of the earth. And this is through the water energies. You've healed, you've done emotional healing. And that's what you're working on. This is you working on your new patterning and what's coming together. What's coming together here in the wheel. And it's new life. There's the birth of a child right there. There's the Empress. And the Empress is connected to Venus. And that is literally the birth of new life. And it was from the devil energies. You freed yourself from the cage. You freed yourself from the shadows and what was lower vibrational and harming you. And you birthed anew. And that's, you know, we connect to the youthful energy again. The birth of the child. And there's the opposites coming together. And our mature selves. And we connect those energies in order to create a new vibration. A new tune. And it's our healing song. And saying goodbye from what separates us and has us in that cage. Alright, let's see what's being activated here. And you know what? This activation is going to be connected to the wheel. So we have the Four of Wands, Justice, and the wheel. What's going down here? How are we shifting? What is being activated? I love how it lined out by the moon. Shimmer, glamour, confidence, allure, and charisma. And now you've created your true self. This is your true self. Through your healing song, you've created authentic tune. And this is where you rock your shine. You've connected to the stars, the light, the cosmos, the heavens. And you're rocking your shine. And it creates charisma. And people are, you know, with that allure, they want to come into alignment with you because you've created a confidence that wasn't there before. But it was through owning your light and expanding with it from the devil energies. All right, let's get a message. Ooh, okay. Landed on Shimmer and the Empress. Forgiveness. Today I bless each soul I preserve to have hurt me. I release them to their own greater good. I can now see that my past provides me with lessons that help me live more fully in the present. I no longer struggle with what has been said and done. I am grateful for every experience that has brought me here. I fill myself with a love that is pure and free. And now we just accept. We accept everything that's happened in our past. It was experience. We forgive the people that hurt us with their egos because they were hurt by someone else's ego. They're stuck in the ego games and they're just projecting. They're creating with what we know, but we know better because we've been activated to see. And we're seeing a path. And we're the leaders in transformation. And there is such a humbling charge to that. Forgive. Forgive and heal because our energy goes out into the collective, to the collective energy field. And that is connected to Mother Earth, the grid. And you know what? When we are throwing our pain out there, the earth is having to transmute our pain. But when we're throwing out higher vibes, it's allowing the earth to heal as well. We are all connected. We are all one. We're interconnected from the microcosm to the macrocosm. Okay? I was twisted up. I had to get myself balanced using some scales of my own. Okay. What's hidden that is coming to light? We already know. We're getting a coin. get a Kuan Yin oracle. What the heck is this? I have a card stuck between my fingers and those two flew right out. And I naturally put that right down, and this is Hear the Yellow Tiger Mother. Hear the Yellow Tiger Mother. Sometimes we must be strong and hold true whilst all around us seems to be shifting and changing. The Yellow Tiger Mother, Kuan Yin, is her guardian role, is roaring within you, reminding you that you are a powerful being of light, and even whilst you are in flow with universal forces, your strong roots will help you stand your ground as your light shines true. And this is like we're holding our light through our connection to the divine and what we've seen and our raising vibration, and understanding that what's happening without, we're not gonna engage in that. We can't control what's happening without. We can't control what's happening, but we're in charge of our own energy. We're in charge of our own healing, and we're in charge of standing strong with our light. We're paving the way for transformation around here. And that is connected to these two cards. The Gates of Heaven and the Princess of Autumn Harvest. The Gates of Heaven. All beings have an ultimate spiritual destiny of happiness and freedom. Yet some can become frightened of divine love and believe they will do better to hide from it. Instead of moving towards it, sometimes we need to help beings find their way to the light by holding peace and unconditional love in our hearts as we pray for the good that all creatures deserve. We need to pray for the good that all creatures deserve. You know, we can't just be stuck in like, oh yes, humans are being hurt. Okay, yeah, but you know what? Others have been hurt. The earth has been hurt. The animals have been hurt. You know, look at the water energies have been hurt. We need to detoxify and allow everyone to feel equal here. All of life. We're all equally important. Princess of the Autumn Harvest. Princess of the Autumn Harvest brings gifts of bounty and blessings for efforts and actions of the past. It is a time when the fruit of your labors is ripe for the picking. A beautiful blessing, it's on its way to you now. With gratitude in your heart, you will recognize the blessing when it comes to you, and it will serve you perfectly. Be open to receive it, knowing it is justly deserved, and it's time for you to be open to receive it. You've closed the door to your past and what's lower vibrational. Now be open to what's coming your way. I want to thank you for joining me here in Little Mini Moo. Much love and healing vibes sent your way to create with today. See you soon. And remember, hold strong with your light. You deserve this because you've worked hard.